Hey, how do you enjoy your life? Many people think that we need to change so many things to be happy, like habits, routines, bank balances. But in reality, however, that is not the case. Mostly, we already have everything to enjoy our life. It is just a matter of what is important for you. So, today I'm going to share you 5 tips on how to enjoy your life, which most people don't know. Number 1, focus on yourself. Other people are always there to give you advices, suggestions, and share their opinions. Most of the people, whenever they talk to you, they talk from their perspective. They say whatever they know from their side, and they start suggesting and advising us whatever they have experienced in their life. But your life is different. They might not know what challenges you are facing. And it is we, ourselves, who knows better than anyone else in this world about ourselves. So it is very important to focus on ourselves. It is we and we alone that have to live with the consequences of our decisions. So focus on yourself to enjoy your life. Number 2, avoid news. No matter the news is coming from your friends, social medias, newspapers, or televisions. Most of the time, news are negative. It is very important to know what is happening in our surrounding. But all the time, hanging on news can destroy your mind. You might start thinking negatively, worries, fear, and so many suspicion will surround your life. So, accept some important news. Always avoid news. Focus on reading positive books like motivational, inspirational, biographies of great people, which can help you to be focused on your goal. Save your energy and spend time on something more worthwhile. Number 3, meet new people. Community is one of the most important needs we have. Making a consistent effort to meet new people helps us to fulfill that need and introduces us to new ideas and perspective. I go to Toastmasters Club and different other community clubs where I meet new people that help me to learn new things from new people. But be aware, whenever you are connecting with new people, they must be good people who can uplift your life to achieve your dream. Number 4, explore new places. Whenever I get time, I go for a hike in a new places. I travel randomly wherever I want to go. So when you go in a new places, you learn new culture. You see different kinds of environment, varieties of plants and animals. So this helps you to broaden your mind to learn more about the world. And of course, everyone enjoy visiting new places. Number 5, spend money on experiences, not on possessions. It is well said that it is experiences, not possessions, that create memories and meaning. When you spend money on experiences, that will develop your skills also, that will give you fun, and finally, your journey of life will be enjoyable. But if you just keep on collecting money without any purpose, that will ultimately give you insecurity. So follow these 5 tips, and there are so many other techniques to enjoy your life. If you have any, please comment below and share this video to many people.